Okay, so when you got product rule, obviously we did when u and v are multiplying, but this is a quotient rule. The formula for the quotient rule is if there is y equals to u over v, where u and v's are different things, is v square, whatever is at the bottom, v square, and then v, then differential of the top one, the u minus the u and the differential of the v. Sometimes this rule is written like this, sometimes the rule is written like that. So if you see that rule, it's still the same one. V u dash minus u v dash, yeah, where the dash signifies it's a differential. Yeah, so that's another form of writing this bit down. Okay, now let's do an example of the quotient rule. Let's say,
wait, should not be dy over dx.
This one, yeah, thank you. It's not dv over dx, dy over dx. Thank you, and that one as well. Dy over dx. Thank you. Now let's say if we got y equals x squared plus 5, and at the bottom you have x plus 7 to the power half. And now you want to differentiate this way. Now first we need to decide which one is u, which one is v. So let's say the top one is always a u. So u equals x squared plus 5. Now I need to find is the du over dx. So if I do du over dx, that's how much? Just a 2x. Yeah, because differential of 5 is 0, differential of that one is the power comes out, and differential reduce the power by 1. So that's that. Now I need to do the v. V is x plus 7 to the power. Now I need to differentiate that one. When I differentiate that one, the power comes out, so the half comes out, reduce the power by 1. And then you need to differentiate this bit, x plus 7. Now the half is still there. This thing becomes x plus 7 to the power of minus half, because half minus 1 is that. And differentiation of this thing is differentiation of 7 is 0, and x is just a 1. So that's it. So I got dv over dx is half x plus 7 to the negative half. You can write it this way, or you can write it like that. You can write it as 1 over 2 x plus 7 to the power of positive half, because when it goes down, it becomes positive. Now we got all the things. We have the u, we have the v, we have the du over dx, we have the dv over dx. So now we can put that in this formula, all of these, and we can get an answer. So let's use this formula, and we just get an answer. Okay, now putting in this formula, if I want to find dy over dx, that's equal the v squared. Now the v is that bit, so I need to square that one. X plus 7, and now I need to square that one. That's it. Now then v here. So you put the v on this side. So v is that bit. X plus 7. Then du over dx. Du over dx is here, the 2x. This dot means multiply. Then there is a negative from the formula. And now I need u. Now u is x squared plus 5. So I got x squared plus 5. Now I need v dash. V dash I can write that way or I can write this way. Doesn't matter which way. So that's going to be 1 over 2 x plus 7 to the power half. So I got that bit here. This is a 1. Now I need to simplify these ones. To simplify that one, the first thing I need to do is this 2 and this 1 over 2, they cancel. So at the denominator, you just get x plus 7. That's the denominator. The 2 and that half, they cancel out. Now here, I can write this one, 2x and that one. Doesn't matter which order I write. So I'm going to write 2x first, bracket x plus 7 to the half. That's that one done. Minus, this becomes the x squared plus 5 over 2 x plus 7 to the half. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, because this is the top bit multiplied by the denominator, that comes under that bit. Yeah, so I just put that. Now I need to actually simplify the denominator is simplified. I need to simplify the numerator. To simplify the numerator, let me just rub some of the bits. So I'm just going to rub the quotient rule. Will that fix here? Yeah, it will fit here. So I'm just going to rub this side. And we do the simplification here. Okay. Now I'm just going to simplify the numerator. Denominator, we just leave as it is. So I got 2x, x plus 7 to the power half, minus x squared plus 5 over 2 bracket x plus 7 to the power half. Okay. Now remember, on this side, there is a 1 there. There is a 1 there. To make sure we can actually add or subtract these two terms, it should have a same denominator. The denominator should be same. So that one, I will multiply because, let's write it down. 2x, x plus 7, that way. I need to multiply this side by whatever denominator is here. So 2x plus 7 to the half. Yeah, and I need to divide that as well. Minus, that remains as it is. Now, if I simplify that bit, just that bit, that will become, at the bottom, it's a 2x plus 7 to the half minus 2x plus 7 to the half. Okay, and that top is same, x squared plus 5. Now here, what will actually happen? This is 2 and this is 2, so that becomes a 4. This is x, yeah, so there's nothing like x, so I just put that one. X plus 7 to the half, then x plus 7 to another half. Because the base is same, so you can add the power, rule of indices. So you can do x plus 7, half plus half. You can write half plus half. That is going to be half plus half is just going to be 1. So I'm just going to write down just 1. Or you don't have to write even the 1. You can just clear that one. Now you can see the denominator here and denominator here in both terms are exactly same. If the denominator is same, you just put the denominator like this. And you just add the other ones, add the top ones. Yeah. This is x squared plus 5, and this thing becomes a 4x, x plus 7. So you go 4x, x plus 7. Now this 4x, x plus 7, before it will be multiplied. So I will just multiply it in the same step. So I will just rub that bit, and I will just simplify this. 4x times x is how much? 4x squared. And 4x times 7 is 28 x. Now I can further simplify this one. I will see which terms I can add. The bottom remains the same. The top one, 4x squared minus x squared. So that will be a 3x squared. 28x on its own and plus 5 on its own. So this is just the numerator part. It's just the top one, but I haven't done the bottom one. I haven't done the bottom one. So I need to put this thing back into this equation. So when I put that back into this equation, so what will actually happen? Let me just clear the board from here. So this thing is just that one divided by x plus 7. So if I got 3x squared, 3x squared, let me use the blue one, it's not visible. 3x squared plus 28x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 7 to the power half divided by this thing. So I need to put that thing underneath here as well. X plus 7. Yeah, and that's the 1. Yeah, and this is half. So that will become 3x squared plus 28x plus 5, and the bottom it becomes 2. They are exactly same. So you can add the power. X plus 7. This power is half, this is 1. So 1 plus half is 1.5 or 3 over 2. Yeah. So this is your answer. This is your dy over dx in the simplified form.